Scientists recreate Jupiter's possible helium rain in the lab. By Michael Irving, the link to the original article in the description. Scientists have recreated in the lab some of the wild weather that might be found on Jupiter and Saturn. Using extremely high pressures and laser shock waves, the researchers produced helium rain, which has been hypothesized to fall on these planets. The atmospheres of gas giants, like Jupiter and Saturn, are made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. Under those conditions, it's long been predicted that helium should form liquid droplets and fall, but experimental evidence had proven tricky to track down. But now, those conditions have been recreated in the lab, producing helium rain with it. It's thanks to researchers at the University of Rochester, UC Berkeley, Lawrence Livermore National Lab, and the French Alternative Energies and Atomic Energy Commission. The team first used a diamond anvil cell to compress a mixture of hydrogen and helium to about 40,000 times the pressure of Earth's atmosphere. Then, the researchers fired a high-powered laser at the gases, producing strong shockwaves that compressed them even further, as well as heating them to between 4,425 degrees Celsius (8,000 degrees Fahrenheit) and 9,925 degrees Celsius (17,900 degrees Fahrenheit). And sure enough, when the researchers studied the reflectivity of the signal, it showed indications that its electrical conductivity was changing quickly at certain points. Our experiments suggest that deep inside Jupiter and Saturn, helium droplets are falling through a massive sea of liquid metallic hydrogen, says Gilbert Collins, lead author of the study. That is a pretty amazing thing to think about next time you look up at Jupiter in the night sky. This work will help us better understand the nature and evolution of Jupiter. Which is particularly important as Jupiter has long been thought to have been somewhat of a space trash collector, protecting our planet in the solar system. Helium isn't the only unusual thing to fall as rain in the atmospheres of other planets. Astronomers have previously found evidence of extraterrestrial rain made of rocks, diamonds, rubies, iron, or titanium oxide. To watch more interesting articles and books on video format, please subscribe to our channel. You can also suggest some topics to discuss in our next videos by writing them in the comments section. The link to the original article in the description.